Hello guys, how are you all? I hope everybody is so well. So today in this video we're going to learn all headings to see the output in this browser. So if we want to learn headings, so we need to write the heading code. So in HTML maximum has 6 headings, so we should learn all the HTML headings. So the first and the big HTML headings is H1. So this is the opening and this is the closing. I hope you all know that how to write opening and closing tags in HTML. Opening has no slash but closing has a slash. So this is the big heading tag which we have already written, and in this tag if you write anything like subscribe and like, so and now if we want to see the output in browser, so must we need to save this code in the notepad, then go to browser and click the refresh button or press Ctrl plus R. So press it, then you are watching this. This is the most big heading in HTML. So the second heading is H2, which is some smaller than the H1. So now if you write anything like I want to write the same things in this, so write this, and if we go here and file, then save and click on the refresh button in the browser, so you can see this is something small than the heading 1. So but this, if we write the all, if we change this now, and now if we click on the save button, then go to browser and click on the refresh, then you are watching this. Every headings is smaller than the previous heading. So like this we can write more 2 heading tags. So this is H5 heading, and if I input the same text in this, and I'm going to write the second, which is the last heading of HTML. So you can see that we have already written all heading tags in HTML. And now if we click on the file and click on save, then click on the browser refresh icon, so we can see that this is the smallest heading in this browser. So I hope you all are clear about heading tags, and if you want to get heading tags in our internet, so you can check the description, there has a link, and click the link, then you will get this all codes which you can practice or take or copy from there. So bye for this day. Please subscribe this channel and like this video if you feel that it was a informative video.